Shadim Shuri. It is Tuesday, Feb 18, 2025. Let's take a look at some building material related, construction related sector. First up, Martin Marietta come out with earning, and it has one of those insane 52-week low big green candle right here. For those that got in, congratulations. I missed it. I did play some put spread and makes some lunch money, but that was it. As you can see, big green candle, follow up with the second day, and then a little pullback. But if you bought it, I would say look to trim up there. Okay, the confluence between the 100 and 200 at 554-ish, 555. You can stay greedy, but the 20 and 50 confluence, well, there's two confluences. This is rare that you have them paired up like that. You don't see that kind of a chart often, right? But there's one here that also coincides with an uptrend, the channel. So be careful. If you want to trim there, that's not at 539-ish. That's not a bad idea. But if you want to be greedy, 555-ish. And then after that, it's who knows. But to me, if I have it, I'm holding out to 555 because that kind of line up with the ref high here, right? So, but that's me. Now VMC, Vulcan is today. Earning is coming out today. So, is it before the market open or after? Is it before or after? I think it's in the morning. Yeah, I think it's in the morning. Let's see. Vulcan material. When is it? Well, that's useless. It doesn't say in the morning. I know where I can find information, whether it's. Let's go to earning calendar. Well, for now, if it already have a sympathy move, right, with Martin Marietta, so if there is earning coming out pre-market and it is a pullback, I wouldn't mind buying at 259 at the 200-day MA. Okay, that's if there is a pullback, if there is one. If not, I don't know. I would be chasing it, but if you have it on a pop, I would say trim at 279. Ref high. Okay, it's that simple. Caterpillar, interesting spot here. I don't hate it. Right? It already. Right. So first of all, the 200 bounce, 200 bounce, 200 held for 2 weeks, and then violate for 2 days, bounce, and this is 3 days. This is the longest that it has been under the 200. So, but it's also lined up with rare flow, right? Could this be a buying spot? It's worth watching for sure. Okay, worth watching for sure, because it's always, whenever, the more often a stock tests a support, the more likely it will break support. Okay, that's just like resistance. The more often it tests a resistance above, the more likely it will break the resistance. So the opposite is also true. So as you can see, basically, you know, the first 2 time it tests, it was basically 1 or 2 days. The next time, 2 weeks, and then break down for 2 days, and then you get another one of those over a week, and then now it's 3 days. So it's getting worse and worse and worse. Okay, that's it's on my watch list. I'm not hot and bothered to trade it, but then let's take a look at the option. Okay, for the options, the 342, 340 spread look decent, 30 cents ish, 342, which is of course down here. If I was to sell, if there is a breakdown, okay, I'm rather sell put spread down in 325, 320 range, because that to me is more of a zone of support, like before, where it spent longer time. Excuse me. So yeah, cat is on my watch list, but I'm not in there yet. Now deer had earning, had a pullback, but then not much. I wouldn't touch it here. Would I buy deer at down here? Perhaps at the gap fill, right? For now, I wouldn't chase it down there. Let's see what the put option look like. Yeah, not much juice at the gap fill, right? You're talking 20 cents ish. Yeah, that's weak. Okay, that's weak. I wouldn't touch it. If you go out into the end of February, it's still not that good. I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, it's not much. It's not much juice, because you want to do like 440, 435 ish. Yeah, it's not compelling enough to do anything. So for me, cat is on the watch list for further weakness or breakdown. And Vulcan material. Let's see what our earnings gonna be today. That's it. Later.